it going? So, if you look at my bumper here, you probably can't tell right now, but she's not perfectly straight. I gotta straighten her back out. You'll see why in this video though, and you'll see why also my manual trans, I need some gears. So, I'm gonna work on that next because it'll definitely help. It's also windy today, but you guys will like this one. My buddy Benny and his JK crawled a really cool waterfall, so can't wait for you guys to see it. Check it out.
Take all of the sunsets and adventure, huh?
Driver, if you can. Straight. Driver. You're just chipping that ledge down every time.
Yeah. I'm not ready to break some right now.
Like I say, you're just cresting over, but it's just got just enough bite. Okay, you're tight.
Well, I opted to winch on this one because I have a 4-day wheeling trip at the end of the month and I can't afford to break something.
Go driver.
Crawl straight up it?
Yeah, go driver, but you're gonna have to kind of get after it because your ass is climbing right at the same time. The front is. That was a hop.
That was probably not again.
You can come back about 2.5, 3 foot. I'm gonna stop you just before you hit off the ledge. Okay, stop.
Okay, turn right.
Yeah, go hard passenger. Try to hug that wall as much as possible. Oh, you're going that way, okay. Okay, you're hugging that rock wall right there. Keep it like that. Okay, driver more. Driver. You got plenty of room on your driver's side. There you go. Perfect. Go passenger here. Oh, that rock just crumbled under you. Yep. There you go. Yeah. There you go. You're on that rock to the diff. About to lay it over though. Yeah, pinions directly on it. There you go. All right, now here's where I was talking about. Use the rear steer. Oh yeah, front dig.
Front dig it. Right there.
Stop.
Okay, are your weaknesses? He just got aluminum steering, that's normal.
Oh, okay.
It'll bend back into place. It's because it's aluminum, it'll bend right back into place.
Oh, okay.
That aluminum steering is meant to do that. Benny, you're gonna have to go a little like a foot driver. Okay, now you can come passenger right there.
Okay, the rock that you're hung up on just shattered. Back up. Go hard passenger and back up. Okay. Now go hard driver and up. Stay driver. That back passenger's hung up.
Got a rock on this side, yeah.
All right, round two, trying a little bit different of a line. That is your tie rod. That aluminum steering can sure take a beating, man. They're so close.
I can see if he can put it in there because he's almost up on the back side.
Yeah.
He's got those three clips at the same time. Ah, dang it.
Come back up there.
Okay. Back up just a little. Right there.
Brakes aren't holding it. There you go. You're good. Here. This bump, man. Yeah. No, you're good. You're perfect. Hell yeah, Benny. How deep that is. wish my mom was that cool. She was a school teacher too, but she didn't do much. Oh, gotcha.
Front. Let me how close I am to hook that wall.
I was gonna say, keep that same line and go hard passenger. Was he hitting his body? Oh, Benny, no! Hey, it popped back out. It's just great. Hold on, hold on. Hey, you're gonna rip your door handle. Get there.
Wait. Turn my way. Turn my way. Back up.
Hey, hold on. Hey, Benny, shut it off real quick.
Dents and scratches in a Jeep are great storytellers, and I'm sure Benny's gonna love telling this one.
Well, once we get back,
If his ass end falls in the hole though, his front end will be on flat ground. He should be able to pull it up.
In case I dump, watch out. If I start dumping, I'm flying out of here.
See? Sharp. Okay, now back my way a little bit.
Your ass end's gonna fall in, but I think your front end's gonna be stable enough. Rock. Yeah, you're good, Benny. It's hanging that tire, but you're good. Hey, wait. Got a nail in your tread. Let me pull it out. Yep. It's in the tread though. Got it. Okay. Sweet.
This thing is a Prius now. We don't waste gas.